All right, in this episode, part 2, we're still dealing with the problem of the fiberglass not curing correctly. I've never had this problem before. I've done it before, and I'd actually fight the clock to get it laid down in time before it cured. This stuff up here is cured. This stuff here and here is not, and that's what I did today. I'm having to use a heater because it's chilly out, but we're not talking sub-freezing temperatures here. We're talking it's in the 50s outside right now. Was in the 30s last night, so I can understand last night, but right now I do not. Use the mixing ratio I've always used. I'm using the same stuff I've always used. So somehow, some way, something has gone wrong. It will cure, it's just taking it a while to do so. It's sticky to touch right now. It's been down for 2 hours. 2 hours it's been here. That stuff should have cured up quickly. I can't leave the heater on it all night. I can leave it on until I go to bed. So it'll at least get another 3 hours to cook. I say cook, it's not really cooking. That is just barely going over it. Okay? Sorry about my light here. This is what I'm using. If I use the other light, it's going to put a black line through the damn screen. I don't know why. I'm not that smart. Alright, well, I guess that's enough of looking at this. What we'll do tomorrow, though, is once this has cured, we will flip it over, clean up that side some more, and then lay fiberglass. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll lay fiberglass on that side, and then when all that cures, we'll flip it back over, sand this down, and see what we've got. And then we'll use fiberglass body filler to fill out any other areas we're having problems with. Let me show you what I was talking about. If you look at this one, see that little air pocket right there? Yeah. Everything else sealed up, whatever, cured up, looks all right. Whereas everything's solid right now and the hood no longer flexes. So we'll do a little carving with my little sander, and then we'll fill in this side. And we'll just work our way back and forth until we get it right. Top side, underside, however many times it takes. I think it's coming along quite nicely. All right, everything's probably on fast forward, so let me show you. This area was sort of bubbled up, and that's from, it was a big hole, and so when I laid the fiberglass last night, it sunk down. So I put it on really thick, knowing it was gonna do that. So I just sanded it down flat. We did not break through anywhere. See, it's still solid. And then now we're gonna lay fiberglass on this side, just like we did the other side. And then once that's done, we'll flip it back over and sand the other side and see where we need to go from there. We'll probably have to go back and forth a couple times. Hopefully not, but that's what I'm anticipating, okay? And hopefully I can get all this crap done before Friday. I'd like y'all to at least see it smooth, or else there's gonna be a part 3. And we really don't want that. I wanna move on to something else. Bodywork is just a slow process and it's boring. So right now, let's cut up some fiberglass. And I gotta get right up to the edge here. All right, I already cut up all my fiberglass, laid it out how I want it to go. And then I've got some extras over here to fill in the spots I may have missed. All right, let's get started on this. All right, here we have the underside. It has cured. Okay, you can see through it because there's no paint on it. See that little line all the way through there. Well, we'll sand it down, but right now we're going to sand the top side. So let's get to it. Take two. I just did the entire intro on time lapse, or not intro, but explanation. All right, this is the top. We had some air pockets, so I dug them back out. Well, we're going to refill them or refiberglass them, and then we'll body fill the top with the fiberglass body fill and resculpt, because here the body line got changed. This is the original, and it sort of dips in and then comes back to the original. So it looks like crap, but we will do that with body or fiberglass body fill, resculpt it, get her nice. This turned out okay, you know, a couple pockets here and there. This is the big hole. Now this is an indention from when I laid it the first time. It sort of sunk through a little bit. Cut it off on the bottom because it was thick enough. I mean, I shaved it flat on the bottom, and then we refiberglassed it. That was the big patch on the back. And then now I'm going to put a little more fiberglass in here, not much, just a little bit, and then we'll sand it and body fill. The underside's going to be just body fill. There weren't enough bad spots, I don't think, plus no one's going to see it but me. So there you go. Let's get to work.